Before the drilling begins, before the pressure rises, before the impossible becomes possible, there is one thing every project depends on: trust. Welcome to VAIBHAV Engineering, the name of trust. With advanced engineering, rugged manufacturing, and a commitment to performance, VAIBHAV Engineering has delivered more than 50 powerful drilling machines across multiple countries worldwide. Built for the toughest drilling environments and trusted across industries, every machine from VAIBHAV Engineering is engineered with one goal: maximum reliability in the field. And leading this legacy of performance is our powerful range of drilling solutions. Introducing the VE8000, compact in design, powerful in performance. Built for efficient water well drilling and DTH-cum-rotary operations, the VE8000 handles hole diameters from 8 to 20 inches, with drilling depth up to 1,000 meters using an 8-inch drill bit. Powered by a reliable 235 to 300 horsepower Cummins deck engine and hydraulic system pressure up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, this machine delivers dependable operation even in demanding conditions. Its heavy-duty box-type drilling tower provides capacity up to 42 tons, supported by pull-up force of 42,000 kilogram force and pull-down force of 21,000 kilogram force. Compact efficiency, field-proven reliability. The VE8000 is built to perform where it matters most. Taking performance to the next level, presenting the VE5000. Engineered for stronger performance and higher operational efficiency, the VE5000 support hole diameters from 8 to 24 inches and drilling depth up to 1,000 meters with a 7-inch drill bit. At its core is a powerful 452 horsepower Volvo Penta deck engine, delivering continuous drilling performance with hydraulic pressure up to 4,500 pounds per square inch. Its reinforced box-type drilling tower offers maximum capacity up to 50 tons, while pull-up force of 50,000 kilogram force and pull-down force of 30,000 kilogram force ensure superior drilling control across varied terrains. Strong, stable, reliable. The VE5000 is built for continuous productivity in the toughest environments. When drilling demands go deeper, the VE6000 takes over. Built for large-scale drilling operations, the VE6000 supports hole diameters from 8 to 30 inches, with drilling depth reaching up to 2,500 meters using a 7-inch drill bit. Powered by a high-performance 452 horsepower Cummins deck engine and hydraulic system pressure up to 4,500 pounds per square inch, this machine is engineered for relentless heavy-duty operation. Its robust box-type drilling tower delivers lifting capacity up to 80 tons, ensuring maximum operational stability during deep drilling applications. Combined with pull-up force ranging from 45 to 80 tons and pull-down force up to 33,000 kilogram force, the VE6000 delivers the strength and confidence required for critical drilling projects. Go deeper, drill stronger, perform without compromise. That is the VE6000. For the toughest drilling challenges, VAIBHAV Engineering presents the flagship powerhouse, the VE8000. Built for maximum performance, the VE8000 supports hole diameters from 8 to 30 inches and drilling depth up to 3,000 meters with an 8-inch drill bit. At the heart of the machine is a powerful 452 horsepower Volvo Penta deck engine, delivering exceptional drilling performance with hydraulic pressure up to 4,500 pounds per square inch. Its heavy-duty box-type drilling tower provides massive lifting capacity up to 100 tons for superior stability in the most demanding drilling conditions. With pull-up force of 100 tons and pull-down force of 40 tons, the VE8000 is built to handle extreme drilling operations with precision, control, and unmatched reliability. More power, more depth, more performance. The VE8000 is engineered to push limits beyond expectations. Completing the lineup is the Core C1000, precision engineered for modern core drilling applications. With drilling depth capability up to 1,400 meters in BQ, 1,000 meters in NQ, 500 meters in HQ, and 350 meters in PQ, powered by a 218 horsepower Volvo Penta water-cooled power unit, the machine delivers stable drilling performance with excellent operational efficiency. Its advanced wireline winch offers 1,000-meter hoisting capacity, while the heavy-duty main winch delivers powerful 8-ton lifting capability for smooth drilling operations. Accurate, efficient, reliable. The Core C1000 is built for professionals who demand precision without compromise. From compact drilling rigs to ultra-heavy-duty drilling solutions, VAIBHAV Engineering continues to deliver performance trusted across projects and across borders. More than 50 machines exported across 27+ countries stand as proof of our engineering strength, product reliability, and customer trust. Because trust is not claimed, it is earned through performance, earned through reliability. VAIBHAV Engineering, the name of trust.